Here is how you can look at deleted messages on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can recover deleted messages on Instagram. So let's start. First of all, open Instagram and log into your account. Then after, go to your profile. Tap on the three lines on the top right side of your screen. Then go to your activity. Scroll below to the bottom of the screen. Then you will find download your information. Tap on it. Then after, it will take you to a screen like this. Tap on request to download. After that, select your Instagram account and tap on next. After that, if you want to look at the deleted messages only, tap on select types of information. Then after, select messages and tap on next. Now select your preferences from these various options. Select the Gmail address where you want to be notified about the downloaded data. Choose the quality of your downloaded data as well as the date range. If you want to look at the latest messages only, tap on last week. However, if you want to look at the messages of earlier periods, select the specific time period. After you have selected the time period, tap on save. As you are satisfied with all these options, tap on submit request. As you can see, the request has been submitted. It may take few hours or a few days depending on the size of the data. After the data has been made available for download, it will notify you in your email address. So in this way, you can easily recover deleted messages on Instagram, including photos and other text. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.